Hi, today I will show you what I prepared for quick and useful prints contest on PrusaPrinters. I'm Medic3D and I do a lot of 3D printing related stuff. This is my 3D printed thimble. I created those because I was making Halloween costume for my son. The foundation of it was this bumblebee helmet I bought from Nico Industries. To finish the costume, I quickly printed some armor parts, and in order to firmly attach them to the clothes, I used self-sticking Velcro. The glue works surprisingly well, but I would like to be able to wash the clothes, so I decided to stitch Velcro to the pants and shirt. And this is one of these easier to say than done things. I am not that proficient tailor, but what I know is that a thimble can make the work more comfortable. You are using the thimble to help push the needle through the thick material using your middle finger, like so. I had only this cheap thimble and it is too small, so I decided to design and print one to fit my needs. I designed my thimble using Fusion 360. It's a pretty simple object, nothing fancy, just a dome with small recesses. My first version requires support, so I altered the inner part and now it is using bridging. For slicing, I used 0.2 quality profile without supports. If you want, you can use variable layer height functionality for nicer top layers. Scaling the thimble is easy, you just need to measure your finger with calipers and add the cylinder shape and then scale the thimble accordingly. It just happens to fit the Prusa contest requirements. It prints under 1 hour and it is useful. What's more, it's easy to customize to perfectly fit on your finger, what I consider a big advantage. Although my thimble is not particularly exciting, it's lacking the coolness factor, I assume I won't win any prize. But who knows, it's always worth trying. As a matter of fact, I don't need another Prusa printer. Ask my wife what she thinks about getting another one. But it would come in handy for my 1000 subscribers on YouTube giveaway, but this won't happen very soon. So far there is only one thimble on Prusa printers, so I see no harm in adding another one. Now I need to make a quick render in Blender, take some photos, and I can upload my thimble to Prusa printers. If you are interested in my previous useful prints, check the videos that are right here and there, and tell me what are the odds of me winning the competition with this design. I bet it's rather low. Are you going to try your luck and submit your idea?